Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Cannondale Dirt Mini Pump in black and gray, designed for quick and easy bike maintenance. Made from durable aluminum, this pump measures 9.4 inches, making it compact and easy to carry on any ride. Despite its small size, it can reach a maximum pressure of 60 psi, perfect for keeping your tires properly inflated. The sleek design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for smooth pumping action every time. Whether you're on a trail or commuting, this mini pump is a reliable tool to have by your side. Its lightweight construction won't weigh you down, making it ideal for all types of cyclists. Stay prepared and keep your bike in top shape with this efficient and portable mini pump. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.